Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. If you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, our Wednesday 2 p.m. alert was trading under 50 cents at the time, and today popped to 70 cents for potential gains of 40%. Congrats to all subscribers who banked. We have another under 50 cent alert at 2 p.m. tomorrow for subscribers. We want to finish this week with a bang as the shorts are on the ropes. The fastest way to get our alert right at 2 p.m. is by signing up for our text service with your mobile number. Again, guys, it's completely free. Good luck. Well, guys, today was a big day in the markets as the markets continued rallying off of the dovish Fed J. Powell press conference yesterday. Yields pulled back. As I talked about, that's been with the overhang on the market. I talked about if you were looking to play this, the way was with the TMF, which is the 3x leveraged bull 20-year Treasury yield Treasury Bull Fund. TMF is up another 6% today. TLT 87 here, up 2%. So, again, if you were making that one-way directional bet, you made 6% versus 2%. That's what the advantage of leverage. But when it goes against you, it is very, very painful. But SPY over 430. We're now above the 200-day moving average. That was the area that everyone was talking about at 420. It's moved up to 423. Just a lot of gap ups on the charts. Tomorrow's going to be a tough day. Apple came out with earnings. It beat on earnings, but its forward guidance disappointing. Stock trading lower in the after hours. AMD, big day yesterday, but took a pause today. Tesla gapped up, NVDA, Microsoft trading up here right under 350, gold under 2,000, Bitcoin's pulling back here. I think this is just profit taking. It's quite amazing last week how in my videos I was saying that the charts, there was just a lot of broken charts. I went through those, a lot of names for you guys, but this week it's all turned around and we're getting a lot of gap ups. Again, it's just amazing how things can change in a few days. But a couple of stocks worth talking about that couldn't see more upside. DraftKings stock rallied after posting Q3 results that beat on both lines and raised its 2023 outlook. The company now sees full-year revenue of $3.67 billion to $3.72 billion versus $3.46 billion to $3.54 billion. That's equivalent to year-over-year growth of 64% to 66%. So big moves there. Square, big beat in the after hours. And then they also announced a $1 billion share buyback. Cash App saw growth, so positive news there. Expedia popped in post-market action. The online travel company's tally of gross bookings in Q3 beat expectations, while revenues of $393 billion was $70 million ahead of estimates. The closely watched gross bookings metric was up 7% year over year. CEO Peter Kern noted that the strong third quarter results with record revenue and profitability came in ahead of guidance and reflect the resilience of travel demand and continued improvements stemming from the execution of the company's strategy. Company announced a new $5 billion share buyback program alongside the earnings update, so that was the strong news there. Paramount stock has been absolutely beaten up. The company up in post-market action, up over 10% after its third quarter earnings showed better than expected profitability and a narrow beat on revenues, and the company cut its streaming losses. So we're getting a lot of earnings beats today, and that is really what's got the market excited. So, you had a combination of dovish Fed yesterday, and, you're getting strong earnings reports, and a lot of these stocks, as I said, they were broken. So a lot of stocks were really on the ropes. I mean, look at today. ROKU, I covered it last night's video, opened at $70, $70.86, dipped to $69.18, rallied to $78. If you were playing options, you made a lot of money trading calls. Fastly, talked about this one last night, up 15%. Camping World Holdings, they sold the report. Stock was only up 7%. Carvana had good news today. This stock here looks to have bottomed. This was a big runner for us earlier this year. We caught the move from 6th all the way to 57. Double top here, been in correction mode ever since, but pulled back right to the 200-day moving average, just above 24. We bounced. We're here right at just under $30. Speaking of $30, I've been talking about Pinterest. Ran right into the wall, but we got the gap up today and got the shorts scrambling. Yesterday with this hammer candle here, closed under 30. A lot of the shorts thought they had it, and the bulls came in with the overall market momentum and got the stock. A couple of names here I want to put on the radar screen. Oscar Health, I got to add in here Expedia, Oscar Health, OSCR, trading up 10%. B of A came out and upgraded the company to buys, expects the health insurance company to report strong Q3 results and issue positive 2024 guidance. B of A said it believes Oscar is benefiting by raising prices above its peers from overall market growth due to the expansion of Medicaid, along with strong execution by its new management team of former executives. The investment bank said it is raising its estimates and increasing its price objective to $9 from $8. Closed at $5.51 today, and the stock is going to release Q3 report before the market open on November 7th, so that's next week. Palantir gapping up here, reported third quarter results and issued guidance that topped estimates. Simultaneously, CEO Alex Karp said the stock is now eligible to join the S&P 500 index. Palantir boosted its full year guidance as it now expects sales to be between $2.216 billion and $2.22 billion, above the $2.21 billion consensus estimate. As I said yesterday, ROKU jumped. It reported mixed Q3 results, but the key was the better than expected Q4 sales outlook. So, a company can report, disappointing earnings. The most important thing is the outlook for the next quarter, and that's what is more important. Again, stocks are a forward-looking mechanism, so you have to be looking towards the future, not today. So thinking down the road. Carvana, just going to come back to this. The company beat on the top line, swinging to a net gain from a net loss in the year-ago period, and again provided a favorable Q4 outlook. In Q4, the used car platform sees non-GAAP total gross profit per unit of more than $5,000 for the third consecutive quarter. In Q3, the figure was $63.96. The company also sees positive adjusted EBITDA for the third consecutive quarter. As I said, DraftKings beat on both lines and raised its 23 outlook. Shopify, this was another big winner today. We're among the most soaring more than 16%. The company delivered a Q3 top and bottom line beat with key revenue metric gross merchandise volume jumping 22% year over year. The company said it was free cash flow positive for the fourth consecutive quarter. And then the strong results come ahead of the key holiday quarter for the retail industry. So, I know a lot of people are talking about, recession. Gunlack was talking about it. They see it in, first quarter of 2024. So that's the talk that's going on right now, but people are bullish on the last quarter of this year. So as I said, seasonally, as I said last night, seasonally November and December are strong months. PENN, this is another one coming off the lows. So again, a lot of stocks are making 52-week lows, getting gaps up. PENN out with good earnings. They said also that ESPN Bet is set to go live on November 14th in 17 states, just in time for the active Thanksgiving week sports calendar. So that's big news there. Looking ahead, management sees compelling cross-sell opportunities from the ESPN Bet partnership. Beyond Meat also beat earnings up 18%. Lemonade also beat. Stock was up 47%. 33% of the float is short. So that's a big reason for the move here. And again, you can use finviz.com. All the resource, it's right there for you guys. It has the short float, all the important things that you want to focus on. 33% of the float is short in LMND. On Beyond Meat, short position is 40%. So we could see a lot more upside in these two names as the shorts are I think, the shorts are being controlled for the last 3 months, and the problem is the shorts are greedy. They keep pressing their shorts, and, you get this bullish enthusiasm, bullish, buyers coming back into the market, and you can really, really get these short squeezes that we're looking for. So we really love the price action that we're seeing this week. We really like, what happened for our subscribers this week in our under 50-cent alert that popped 40%. And, what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com is putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. But Friday's main focus is our 2 p.m. alert for subscribers. As I said, our last one ran 40% overnight. Friday's 2 p.m. alert is one you're not going to want to miss. The only way to get our alert is by signing up. We won't be sharing on social media. To get our Friday special, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when new video is uploaded. Have a great Friday, traders, and good luck. Bye-bye.